In 2016, a CIA agent came down with a mysterious illness while in Cuba. Similar to the symptoms of a concussion, this agent was dealing with nausea, dizziness, and a headache. Later on in the same year, several more CIA agents began dealing with similar issues. By 2018, a total of 26 Americans and 13 Cubans had gone to the hospital due to nausea, hearing loss, vertigo, nosebleeds, and focusing issues. When trying to explain how this started happening, they all described a strange sound that they had heard while in their rooms and hotels. The sound that they had heard varied, as one person said it was a very high-pitched sound, while another said it sounded like marbles rolling across a floor, and also several scientists concluded it resembled the sound of two love-lorn male crickets. People believed this was a new Cuban weapon that was in development, but it's not certain what it is exactly.